sa ko hindi ba Tora tora.
Lên máy quay là bố là máy thành tắt chảy chiếu.
Okay, back to the grind. After a short but binge fest weekend in Hanoi, it's back to the grind again. Life of a private chef in Singapore. So we're going shopping now for this weekend's dinner bookings. Got the menu here to get the ingredients. So I've got to make 2 trips today to 2 different markets. The usual Tiong Bahru market, which is in my neighborhood, like a short walk. And then I gotta go to Tekka market to get some goat. Because someone ordered our goat curry. The market is my best friend. Life of a private chef in Singapore. And tonight I'm actually checking out another private chef, Arang, which is a Malay, modern Malay fusion food, if I can probably describe it like that, but I think we'll know more later when I try the food. Auntie 早晨。
哎 ，Hello morning good。为什么这样久没有来？上个礼拜没有来啊？
我是飞云南的。
越南啊？啊。工人没有来啊？
啊，有啊。你好吗
？OK。Thank you 啊。
tapioca。
Tapioca。Tapioca don't have right. I have the leaf.
啊
？The leaf only.
leaf 啦。
leaf
Yeah, one 一个。
你啊
It's tapioca leaf.
Tapioca leaf. I see it's tapioca.
I make a bruised tapioca leaf with coconut cream. Usually in Fiji they make it with taro leaves. They call it lolo, bakalolo, lolo. But in Singapore you can't get taro leaf, so this tapioca leaf is similar in texture, but we have to bruise it. 这是我的。
对，35块半，35就好了，板。
35 OK，
谢谢。
哎，老板娘。
OK 可以。
35。
好，谢谢。
哎，谢謝。
Thank you。
有冇靚嘅芒果？呢個Australia 4蚊一粒，靚唔靚啊 ？Mangoes, Australian mangoes, $4. $12 for these Korean strawberries. I'm gonna make sambal strawberry for my soya chicken.
Less than half kilo can.
Okay, 幾多錢？23個6，哦，叮叮叮嗰度啦。I like this prata shop. Good prata. The curry gravy is very good. Hey boss.
Hello.
How are you?
Hey. You're a YouTuber.
YouTuber.
Huh? Okay lah, I cutting lah. You take.
Yeah.
How are you, bro?
Good man. So this is my goat man.
Bro, what do you want to eat?
Shank.
Yeah,
Lamb shank.
lamb shank.
So I buy my goat meat from here. These are all Australian goat.
Bro, do you want already?
Not yet.
Tell me what you want.
Okay, I want goat bone-in,
Okay.
1.5, and heart lung liver, 1 packet.
Okay.
Fresh one, nice one. And kadai.
Ade one. Open curry. Sam keema ready mustard.
Do. Egg. Do packet. Give me also a little bit tripe, a little bit.
Okay.
Shoulder. You cut for me a big piece, huh?
This one very tender one.
Okay.
But this one take out, both take out or not take out? Middle one?
Huh?
Cut like this.
Okay.
Middle one both take out.
Yeah. Okay. One foot, I try, huh? Allah, ये वाला free वाला ला, yeah.
128 brother.
128, including the kadai.
Yes, yes.
Okay, 128.
运动的总是镜头了，它总是一动手。
Yeah, take one tamarind. I'm gonna try and make some tamarind sauce or tamarind sambal. Huh? Prefer these tamarind over the ones you get in the supermarket where it's like I think boiled till it's less sour. This is I think fresh and semi-dried. Yeah, 6块啊。
现在很多人都从买进，以前不敢卖，
啊？
以前不敢卖，
为什么？啊？
太贵了啊！它那能到了有，
哎呦啊！那
very good customer.
boss, can I get some banana leaf?
How much you want?
Not much. How much? How are you selling?
This type okay?
Okay. How much is that?
How many pieces you want?
Oh, like this how much?
$2.
अच्छा
Oh, Hindi ah? Huh?
ठीक है कही थोड़ा थोड़ा बात करो
थोड़ा थोड़ा
तुम
ये सीखी नो हिंदी देखो
तुम तमिल तमिल हम सबको थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी बात करो अच्छा ओके शुक्रिया शुक्रिया धन्यवाद शुक्रिया
धन्यवाद you don't understand
oh you don't understand
yes,
yeah only शुक्रिया yeah
yes
you धन्यवाद you
yes
understand
धन्यवाद yes this man only welcome welcome
वालेकुम
शुक्रिया means वणक्कम
but you can speak Hindi
yes Hindi Punjabi
Hindi Punjabi हम सबको हिंदी बात करो थोड़ा थोड़ा
थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी
थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी
this man no understand हिंदी पापा दे दे ट्रॉली यार
hello 有嚟揾你啊有嚟揾你啊
我知你買咩？
俾少少pine nut 我
係幾多？1 kilo 啊？
哦1 kilo 太多啦
2 kilo 啊？
我唔記得咗半 kilo 係幾多，我睇下。
幾多啦？我攞俾你睇啦。
攞俾我睇啊！
你喺度睇。
你有冇嗰啲靚嘅 cinnamon？你啲 cinnamon 喺邊度嚟㗎
Indonesia。
？Indonesia？呢啲咁㗎？
冇啦，攞俾你啊！
冇Sri Lanka。
我哋呢度冇人賣斯里蘭卡，佢哋講㗎啦。
哦。
你話好遠嘛？唔值得攞嚟啦嘛？你買貴就冇人買，買平就唔得賺錢。嗰個半 kilo 咯。
我叫你半 kilo 啦，半 kilo 啦。
有啲係咪食晒你？
嚇
呢條啊面食晒未？
啊，哦，食晒咯。我整鹹魚三巴啦。
哦，
啊
喺，度啦。
哇！呢啲咩嚟㗎
呢個stingray 啊，魔鬼魚啊
？Stingray。
啊，佢哋攞嚟就咗咁樣食啦。
哦，係咩？
啊，就咗
咁咁搣咁食。
啊，搣細嚿就又咁樣食啦。
Oh, this is a dried stingray. Yeah,
啊
never seen before.
啊，呢間睇你
Huh?
咯。
Thailand? Ah?
salted 啦。
No,
No, I think this is not salted.
not saltish. You want taste more than deep fries. Then eat like snack like that 啦，for fun 啦。
The croco.
For fun
啊，for fun 啊，試下嘛，好食啊！
Fry 啊？
啊，它唔會鹹嘅，you just taste 咯，see then taste
Fry
more than fry，嚇。
哦
所以
，OK.
Deep fry.
Deep fry.
Yeah, correct.
幾多錢啊
150蚊啊，使100克啦，唔係好
Nice or not?
nice.
Okay, I try.
You can try.
How much
This
is
is $5, 100 grams for $5. So he's recommending just shred it and then fry it, and then just eat it.
啊，有但唔係個
It's similar to the Koreans, right?
Yeah.
But it's not dried. They press it and then
Yeah,
you,
okay.
you remember you see on the street sometimes
Yeah,
they sell it. Yeah. So I try.
好啦。
OK，唔該晒。
OK，
58
啊，呢條啊介紹食啊，
係啊，介紹多啲人嚟呢度買啊。
有冇睇到你個相未？
啊，
呢條啊，
係啊。
邊時幾時啊？
啊，
睇啊，
我一陣整俾你睇啦。哇！你呢度有白鬼嚟呢度買啊？
啊有
我呢個德國鬼係咪
啊。
？OK 啊，唔該晒啊。You also you quite handsome yeah. Okay, for once I'm not cooking and eating someone else cooking. It's with Arang, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
Private dining?
Your first one. It's called Jenny cake. It's a donut, basically. It's a Malay donut. On top is hamachi belly that's cured and marinated with sambal bawang. And I finish it off with a bit of Tekka kaviar. So you get a couple of bites. Yeah.
So what did you say again? Malay, like a Malay donut. What do you call
Malay
it?
donut.
With
Hamachi.
amachi and caviar at the top.
Right. Last one. Nasi kerabu with kambing bakar, basically grilled lamb lah, and a bit of rendang sauce at the bottom, and sambal tumis inside. So squeeze the lime, mix everything up, get a bit of the lamb, get a bit of the sauce and the sambal as well. Right.
Hey. You're paying for the meal, right?
Happy to. Okay, first fish is what we call wok smoked fish. And today's fish is a red grouper, very nice red grouper. So basically this fish is inspired by what they call lovo cooking in Fiji, which is usually they will dig a pit in the hole and ground. Yeah. Yeah, basically all the other fish they kind of do that. Yeah. And then they wrap food, they season food and they wrap it in leaves and then cover it so it's kind of like smoked.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you.
Coi xài.
I think I need to fit everybody in.
Thanks for great dinner.
Thank you so much.
Again, yeah.
Great to see you again.
Yeah, we'll see you again.
Yes, thank you.
There's one more bottle of wine. Just you. Oh, yeah. No. You have it. For your staff. You guys have it.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Sure, thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you so much. Amazing, thank you. And it's a wrap. Another successful, wonderful service with some great guests. Let's clean up.